Siddharth Shukla. He was an Indian actor, host and model who appears in Hindi television and films. He is known for his roles in Broken But Beautiful 3, Balika Vadhu and Dil Se Dil Tak. He was the winner of reality show Bigg Boss 13 and Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi 7. He was born on 12 December 1980 in Mumbai to parents Ashok Shukla and mother Rita Shukla. His father was a civil engineer employed at the Reserve Bank of India. He lost his father because of lung disorder during his modeling days. And he has two older sisters. Shukla attended St. Xavier High School, Fort Mumbai and holds a bachelor degree in interior design from Rachna Sansad School of Interior Design. Siddharth was a very athletic child and represented his school in tennis and football. He also played against Italian football club AC Milan under 19 team. After completing his bachelor degree, Siddharth Shukla worked in an interior designing firm for a couple of years. In 2005, Siddharth Shukla represented India at the World Best Model Contest held in Turkey and became the first Indian as well as the first Asian to win that title. After winning the title, he appeared in advertisement for Bajaj Avengers and ICICI. In 2008, he made his acting debut with the lead role in television show Babul Ke Aangan Chhoote Na on Sony TV, and later in 2012, Siddharth Shukla appeared in Balika Vadhu as a district collector Shivraj Shekhar, which was aired on Colors TV, which earned him widespread recognition and popularity, including several awards and nomination. He received a GR8 Performer of the Year Male Award at the Indian Television Academy Awards in 2014. Siddharth Shukla made his Bollywood debut in the romantic comedy Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania in a supporting role playing the character of Angad Bedi, and later in 2016, Siddharth Shukla won the stunt reality show Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi 7, and in 2019, he participated in the reality show Bigg Boss 13 and was declared the winner in February 2020, and he had a net worth of $1.5 million, estimated to be around 11 crore rupees, and he was the owner of luxury SUV BMW X5 which cost 76.50 lakh rupees, and he also owned a Royal Enfield bullet bike which cost 1.89 lakh rupees, and Siddharth Shukla also owned an apartment in Mumbai which cost more than 2 crore rupees. Siddharth Shukla rumored girlfriend was Shehnaz Gill, which is also an Indian actress, model and singer, and on 2 September 2021, the actor was rushed to Cooper Hospital in the morning. He suffered a massive heart attack and was declared dead in the hospital.